Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this earth anchors. I already had this for over 6 months now, and this thing works very well. I love how it has this little hook right here to really hold down the object that you need to hold down, and it even has a hole here if you need to tie it here also. And it has the little nut that you use to screw it down, and then it has these little extra pieces to really hold it in place once you drill it in place. Here's the added attachment that it comes with. So I just use this for my drill just to make it easier to screw it down. So you place it where you want to drill it, and then you drill it down. And now I'm just going to tie a string right here just to keep this in place. So this thing holds up very well with high winds. They don't rust, they don't rot, they keep the shape and everything. This is a great product to buy.